These Spider-Man masks with working eyes like this one right here are really cool, however because of the way they're built, they're also very uncomfortable to wear. Luckily, it should take less than $5 to fix this. For this, all you're going to need is some sticky foam. I will leave a link to the product I used off of AliExpress, and we'll also leave another option for one off of Amazon pinned in the comments and the description. If you decide to go with a different kind of foam, just make sure that it's not too firm, as I had to buy a couple different kinds to figure out what I needed. While you probably see where I'm going with this, you're going to want to make sure you know exactly where the mask is uncomfortable on your face before you start sticking foam everywhere. To do this, put the mask on and wear it around for a little bit, making sure to take notes of where it's uncomfortable. For me, it was right above both eyes and right around the nose. After I figured this out, I guessed the needed length, cut a strip of foam, putting one above my right eye and then one above my left eye. I then also put a strip close to each side of my nose. One other thing you should be aware of is that once you push this down, it can be very difficult to remove the foam. So when you're just figuring out how to lay it out, push it down very gently. This is something I definitely learned the hard way. Once you think you've installed all the needed foam pieces, go ahead and put it back on and see if it's comfortable. If not, add more foam where it's uncomfortable and keep doing this until you have it just how you like it. Then just go ahead and push it down firmly, and just like that, you've made your realistic Spider-Man mask so much more comfortable.